Hello Mixbeeans, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to make this budget friendly hanging planter. So let's get started. We need cotton rope, colors to make wooden color, S hook and 3 square wooden planks. First mix all color and paint on wooden plank. Make sure that your wooden plank have 4 holes every corner with equal distance. Now cut the rope in 4 parts and tie every rope at the end. Measure your rope according to your plant height and make a knot on each rope. Take a small part of rope and open like this. Fix the end with tight knot. Now hang this planter and you're done. I hope you guys like this video. Then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to us. Bye.